In this video, I want to show you how to clear a paper jam on your Canon imageCLASS LBP122dw. So the first thing that you need to do once you get the paper jam error is to disconnect the power cable on the back of your printer. So go ahead and unplug it, just like that. I suggest you let your printer sit for at least 3 to 5 minutes before going to the next step. Inside of the laser printer like this one, it can get very hot and you don't want to stick your hands when it's, hot, obviously, to not burn yourself. So after 5 minutes, what I recommend, this is the paper input. Remove the paper from here. And we need to go on the back of the printer first. So we'll just go like this. And here you have a door that can help us. So all you have to do is to pull down on this door, and we're going to have access to some rollers over here. And usually the paper passes through these slots. So take a look. And if you see any paper, any bits or pieces that have been ripped off, maybe over here, take them out with your fingers or with a pair of tweezers. If you don't see a paper jam, don't worry. The next place you can check is right on the top. So lift the front cover. Okay, there's a gap here to lift it. Remove the ink toner. So pass your finger through that handle and pull. And now take a better look inside to see if there's any paper that is jammed. Obviously here you should definitely see something in case you didn't find it on the back. Again, remove any piece of paper that you may see. Put back the ink toner simply by gliding it back. Close. And after doing this, go ahead and connect the power cable on the back of the printer. The printer will power on by itself after you connect the power cable, and the error should clear by itself as well. You don't have to press anything. Just start printing normally once again. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if this was helpful, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.